to our channel.
Our channel.
And my name is Shaira, and
I'm Arby. So
we're gonna do another vlog for today. Sorry guys if we didn't post that much because we kind of do something on our school. We had a lot of homework, right?
yeah.
And we're just gonna and today late we're not gonna post a lot of much because we still had a lot of homework. And
Yeah, my mother just passed
and
through.
yeah. And look at Melody. It's like a circle. And I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna celebrate something, and this is gonna be a long time.
Yeah,
We're gonna celebrate.
Yeah, we're gonna post that Saturday.
No. We're not gonna post it anyway. We're just gonna post this time. We're not. No.
Okay, fine.
We cannot post now and Melo because we're gonna have a party.
Yeah, that's Mama's birthday today.
Yeah, today's. This is gonna be a 30. I think so. But we're gonna celebrate his mom's birthday.
Let's check on our foods.
Yeah, let's check on our food. Let's see if we have everything.
Punta kami doon bukas, Shay, ha?
Apa.
Punta tayo doon bukas.
Pupunta tayo!
Oo, magpe-play kayo ni Shay bukas. Tapos uuwi din kayo, Shay, di ba? Pagkatapos ng party, uuwi din kayo dito.
Hindi po.
Ay, doon ka natutulog.
Opo. Sa umaga po pa kami uuwi.
Linggo na kayo pabalik.
Apa. Don't do that. That looks weird. Come on. Let's check in our... We're gonna check on our food.
Alright.
Let's see.
Siguro mag-test po lang na ito.
Okay.
That's our food for you guys.
Okay.
I don't know what is that. And
Never mind,
And-
we haven't introduced Rappa yet.
oh yeah, and we had a new member na sometimes down here. That's here.
Yeah, his name is Rappa.
Yeah, come on, let's go. And right here,
Alright?
kinokot pa lang yung food na yan.
Yeah,
Let's
it
go
looks
back.
so skin and softy.
And here, this is our room where this is the mini party room.
Oh, and this is the...
For only kids party room. And they have the whole house.
Wala daw kami.
Whole house pala.
Wait lang,
Yeah,
kasi naliligaw.
I didn't know a whole building can hold that much
Come on.
electricity.
And we have... Where's Tiger? Tiger is also... Okay, Mano, let's just say about everything that we're gonna do for him.
Yeah,
Oh, I think my mother is there.
yeah,
Mine.
your mom is there.
Okay.
Oo, wait lang.
Hello!
Oh, hi.
Hello!
Isa ka pa, maghubad ka na rin ng shoes mo.
Wag daw sabi nila.
Bakit?
He's there.
Ay,
And
lubot ka na ka.
Kaya mapupunta. Ay, ang init ka ng bari mo.
Ginagawa naman naman chinelas naman dyan.
Asan pa
Kasi
kita?
shoes lang, pati medyas.
we're gonna and like that and that.
How
And where is Tiger? And that is Tiger right there. Tiger. That's Tiger. Hey,
Isa.
Apa!
Dalawa.
Ay, maghubad ka na. Diyan sa sala na lang.
Hello, hold.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh, something. Ah! Okay.
Just say something.
Yeah, I'm gonna... I don't know what to say something. Yeah.
Just say about your mother.
Yeah.
For your mother.
Some more milk tea.
Bella, pinto kasi nagluluto.
Have some sparkle of milky.
Shay, sarali mo na siya kasi nagluluto.
So what do I gonna do here?
Hello.
Here's some sparkle of sparklies. some sparkly. Some sparkle of sparklies. Some sparkle of sparklies. Some sparklies. Sparkle. Have sparkle. I have sparkles.
Okay.
I have sparkles.
Okay. Anyways, I'm back, guys. Sorry. My mother just wants me to take my shoes off. So that's what I did. Isa. Dalawa. I'm gonna end this now. Bye-bye. Hello, stop.
I'm okay.
Okay, come on. Let's see Tiger. We're gonna introduce Tiger now.
Okay.
Come on. We're gonna introduce Tiger.
Okay. Alright, guys.
Where's Tiger? Wala dito si Tiger.
Past him.
Oh,
Usap mo siya.
nagblog kami.
Nagbablog.
YouTube, gano'n yung
Hello! Come on! So this is Tiger. His name is Tiger Cat. And he's a big cat.
Yeah, he never likes vlog.
And she doesn't like vlogging. Ayan o, can you see her?
How are you? Thumbs up lang.
Ayan. Can you grab that cutie? This one. Who's a cutie pie? Who's a cutie pie? Who's a little cutie pie? Hello.
Uy, chinage mo.
Okay. Okay.
Look at this.
Palaki ka ng palaki ah.
Yeah, that's our first
It's now night. It's now 7:01.
Yeah, 7:01.
Look.
Shaira, yun ang susutin mo pag-alis mo?
Ikaw bahala.
Shower ka ito pagdating kina Tita Rupina.
And we're gonna wait for someone. And look at that one. Okay. And Tiger.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta!
Yeah, I'm scared for Tiger. I don't want to touch Tiger.
Ay, Pep.
What?
Cellphone mo yan? Ay,
Hindi.
kala ko cellphone.
Stop! Wait lang.
Ay, Melo, may I see your bracelet?
Phone ko. Hala. Wait lang. Hindi. Second ka lang po. I'm just gonna get my phone, bro. We're gonna si Tiger. Si Tiger!
Pero ako cellphone, madali mag-picture kami na Sabi ko yung picture sa
Hello, can you hold first?
Alright, I'm here, guys. Well,
Dito lang siya.
This is Tangge.
our
Bitawan mo
Tangy
yung
boy.
baba mo.
Baba. Ay, hindi.
Dito. Ay, hindi na. Sino umaway?
Okay, this is it.
Sino umaway?
Hello, hindi.
Sino umaway?
Okay, I'm recording. Okay, Jesus, why?
Ganyan mo lang. Sorry.
I'm okay. Look. Napitsak ka, Tangge? Ha?
Dali tayong tatlo. Dali go.
Hello.
Love.
Dito.
Ito yung hands.
Ganun daw.
Parang ang pangit ng camera ng cellphone mo.
I don't know why.
You don't know why?
Hey, where's
Why?
Tangy? Where's Tangy?
Hindi ako maganda dito.
Wala yung filter.
Ayop ka. Ang pangit to.
Wala kang filter. Wala akong filter.
together.
Maganda naman ah. Hindi, puso yung tao mo. Ah, umurahin lang kasi.
So, this is the moon.
Dahil na daw, Ben.
Ano pa tayo?
Dahil na. Kasi
Masag pa.
may sabaw. May kanin naman.
Hala!
Ito na lang ang init dyan.
Kaya nga, oo.
No. Usap.
Picturean niyo pa.
Wait lang.
Diba?
Wait lang kasi.
Like this instead.
Okay now.
Wait, is that an alien?
Put it.
Yes, I'm putting it.
Can you see that one?
I think it's an
No,
alien.
wala, wait. That one?
It's a bird. Laki na, no? Ang pinapakain mo dyan, Toy. Ang laki-laki mo talaga.
Ay!
Dito tayo.
Just gonna look.
Look.
Are you afraid of a dragon?
Not that one.
Ang asan yung puti? Nandun sa kanila. Sa loob lang. Ang laki na nito.
Are you?
Laki-laki.
That's not you, bro.
Yan,
That's
susunod
not you.
sa'yo yan.
No, you.
That's not you, bro.
What am I even doing? What's it there before?
Pagkain niya. Pellets.
Ah!
Ganyan din, pellets din. Tsaka kanin, tsaka ulam.
You're not smiling.
Yeah, I did,
Ano kaya, hindi tumataba.
Dilak. Ganun siya, Mel.
Not like that.
Don't do that now.
I don't do that. You said so. Do I end this video?
Hello.
Huh?
Okay. That's all, guys. Bye.
Okay.